Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. So you are requested to stay with me till an end without skip. Oh, before going to start, I have a request. Please subscribe the channel by click the button if you didn't subscribe yet. And thank you all who have already subscribed. Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to place some trade on all-in trade with compound strategy. I'll start with $20. So let's analyze this market. This GBP USD pair and major and minor both trend are uptrend. So I'll place trade on next candle. So let's complete this candle. Okay, use buyer pressure, but if you observe, the market is at the level and you can see brown number also. Okay, let's complete this candle. If we see there is no any rejection, okay, I'm going to place lower option. Oh shit. Anyway, I have placed lower option because market close at the level, so market should respect at least for 1 minute. So that's what I place lower option. So let's wait for the result now. Okay. Okay. So we have 20 seconds about to close the candle. Okay. Then okay, I have oh shit, very late entry, but I have placed higher option because if we observe that candle close at the area where buyer got force, see here we saw on retrace candle and again buyers start to bounce back that market and market close at the level. That's what I place higher option, but it's little late entry, but I think still I will win this trade. So let's form this candle. Okay, still we have few seconds to complete this candle. Okay, I have won this trade also. Okay, I'm going to place higher option again because I saw some new high in this market, and from this area I saw some direct buyers entry without rejection the candle. It means the next candle would be a bullish candle. I'm sure about that. That's what I place higher option. So let's complete this candle. And main thing is that major and minor both trend are uptrend. So still we have few seconds. Okay, yeah, it should be a bullish candle. If I got good confirmation, then I'll place one more trade. Okay, still. Oh, I may lose. Oh no, I have on this trade anyway. And this is the main problem on all-in trade. Actually, if you are not able to place the trade at right time, I mean last second of the previous candle, then you will face some problem because if you see like based on this candle, the next candle would be a bullish candle, but sometime if for 2 or 5 seconds or something like that, that candle made a bullish, but before bullish candle it's turned back and you got losses, then that candle made a bullish candle. That's the problem. So you should always place trade on uh, right moment. Okay, since I had only target 3 trade, I have on 3 trade, but still I am looking for one more trade. If I win, if I got good confirmation, then I will place one more trade and I will stop trading. So let's see Euro USD now. Okay, okay, strong buyers entry. So before place any trade, you should observe everything properly, otherwise your winning percentage will be a poor. And before you start any compounds trading, you should get at least 70% winning ratio, otherwise you will lose your money. Okay, okay, still you can see. Okay, if the candle come here, I'll place lower option because oh shit. Okay, I missed already. Anyway, I look here. This is a seller's area actually. So okay, on next candle I'll place my trade here and the Euro USD. Okay, so let's complete this candle. Okay, or I can place trade here also. See, weak seller are getting weaker than that previous candle. Okay, okay, I have placed higher option because seller getting weaker and I saw some rejection from buyers. Though this is a very few sellers, but still I have placed because this is an uptrend. And if you see my trade here, see this was my first trade with $20. Then this was my second trade with $36 because 20 plus I have won 16, so 36. And this was my second trade, and this was my third trade, and this is my last trade. If I win this trade, I will stop trading for today. Okay, still we have 20 seconds to close this candle. So okay, 7 seconds. So I think I'll win this trade. Okay, I have won this trade. So I have started with $20 and I made about $214. So I think this is good enough for me. Actually my target was 3 trade, and when you try with compound strategy, you don't need to place lot of trade together because you should limit your trade, otherwise end of the day you will lose your money. That's the main thing. So you should always place trade on proper planning, like when you actually analyze less candle, you will get a good winning ratio. And if you try to analyze like whole day candlestick, sometime it will not work as you want. So always try to place as much as less. Main thing is you need some profit. I think you got something from this trading and from this video. So if you are new, then please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please share with your friends, and if you need something else, then write me on the comments box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you satisfied with the video, don't forget to like and share with your friends. Your support can inspire me to make more video to help you all. Thank you.